Our next question comes to us, and they really want to know, when a case goes to trial, what happens behind the scenes as lawyers prepare? It's an excellent question, because a lot of people feel like, okay, well, I hired this attorney and I only talk to them every once in a while. And what's really going on behind the scenes? I don't know what's happening unless they call me and fill me in, or I call them and, really say, hey guys, what's going on? What's happening with my case?
Well, when it looks like, it's a lot of work, first off, but when it looks like the case is going to trial, when you've tried to resolve it and it won't settle or mediate, can't, reach a solution, you're going to have a lot of work. And that's where my team comes in with my paralegals. And usually I'll have another lawyer that I'll get to help me with it. That's when we start kind of recreating the whole file, rereading all the depositions and all the testimony, reaching out to the witnesses, lining up the experts, getting ready with trial preparation. You got to make sure you got your documents marked. You got to have your overhead projectors. Let me tell you, I've done it all at a trial. I mean, I've put exhibit stickers on things for my dad. I've carried briefcases. I've gotten coffee, and then I've been the lead trial lawyer. And so I kind of know every step along the way. It's a lot of work to get a case ready for trial. Some people don't want to do that. Some people can't do that. But if you don't prepare to get ready for trial, if you prepare for settlement, you're really preparing to lose. And so you've got to be ready to go, because when the judge is ready and they call that case, that's kind of like ringing the bell, and you got to answer the bell. You got to answer the call.
And you got to be ready. Now, you said something so important in that segment, because a lot of people don't realize what goes behind the scenes and how important it is to have an attorney who knows what to do. So this is a key thing in searching out an attorney. When you're asking and trying to do your research, who should I hire? Find out if an attorney has gone to trial before. Am I right? That's important.
Probably, Morgan, the number one thing you can look at is trial experience and results. Not they've gone to trial, but they've won, and they've won big. And so I encourage people to, go out on Google and search the lawyer's name and verdicts, because one of the most important things that an insurance company will evaluate when they're deciding whether or not to pay you an average amount or pay you the top dollar amount, because there's always a range, Morgan. They always say this case is worth 100 to 150. Well, right. The lawyer without trial experience might get 100. The lawyer with a lot of trial experience might get you 150. Well, obviously, that's one of the things that the insurance company is using to evaluate the value of your case. So you want to go with someone that you're comfortable with that has trial experience. And there's several in the area. Certainly Tim and Patrick, my partners on the show, have trial experience, and I have trial experience, and this firm does. So, but that's a very important thing to look at.